Hello! This is Trish. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. For today, we will be unboxing Super Junior's official Lightstick version 2. The outer box looks like this. And we have here Super Junior official Fanlight. And at the top, we can see Super Junior's logo. Same with the bottom. It's opening this up. Oh! So here's the light stick, but first, let's take a look at what's inside the box. So the inner box has the manual. And the stand. Okay, so I think that's it. So here's the light stick. It has here the power button with SJ's logo on it. And a thumb rest. It's not clicking, so it's not a button, it's a thumb rest. And the handle also with SJ's logo. Let's remove this plastic. This looks so amazing. It's so beautiful. Let's remove the seal. And put some batteries in there. It uses 3 AAA batteries. Just like any other light sticks. Make sure that this part is at the top. There. And we'll have to press this for 3 seconds for it to turn on. There. So this is the first mode, the steady light. Second mode would be the blink light. So you see that there's a pointed part here and a flat part here. This is the back and the pointed one is the front. So when you go to concerts, you'll hold it like this. That's why there's a thumb rest here. And the next mode will be the SJ. Then this is the last mode. And we're back to the first mode or the steady mode. This is also controlled via Bluetooth on concert. So we'll have a synchronized lights if it is set up within the concert that you're attending to. Turning this off, we should press the button more than 3 seconds. There it is. That's it for unboxing of Super Junior's official Lightstick version 2. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you want to get notified every time I post a new video, please click that bell beside the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye!